this is this side. Look, so this side is our all the purl stitch line, and this is our front side. So this is all the knit stitch. This is knit stitch and this is purl stitch line. So we mixed both stitches, alternate rows. Slip knot ready. Now insert your right hand needle. We'll make our foundation stitches first. One, and put it on your left hand needle, and then keep going on as long as you need foundation stitches. I'm just making small swatch, so we will make 15 to 20 stitches. Okay, I'll complete my stitches, then I will meet you. Okay, so now I have here total 20 stitches, but you can make your desired length or desired stitches. And now we will start our very first row, and we are going to mix 2 stitches on this. First one, the knit stitch, and second purl stitch. So in the first row I'm going to make purl stitch. So for purl stitch, what we do, right hand needle, just insert like front to front side, and then take your yarn, wrap your yarn, and then just release your stitch. Now next, so the first row we just making our purl stitch. So just like this. Okay, so here my first line complete. If you see, this is with the purl stitch. Now I will turn my work here. Now we will do our knit row, the knit stitch. So first I did my purl stitch. Now I am going to do knit stitch. For knit stitch, what we do, your right hand needle insert like this to upward, to clockwise. Like for behind, the left hand needle, and then just put it behind like this, and then we will work knit stitch like this. Wrap your yarn, then bring to the front, release your stitch. So just keep going on with this. Now this is our purl stitch, oh no, sorry, knit stitch. So this is 2 line repeat design. When we will finish this knit stitch, then we will do again our purl stitch row. Yeah. Okay, now we cannot see design, but of course. And now turn your work and needle, empty needle I'm taking on my right hand. Now first stitch always I just remove like this, so you don't need to knit first stitch. Then next stitch we will do purl stitch. Purl stitch, always insert your needle like this to front side, like. Now keep going on with your purl stitch. just like this. So in the before we learn how to do all the foundation stitches, if you didn't check out the videos, you can check it out. And then we learn knit stitch, purl stitch and binding off. Now we are in the 5th video. We mixing the 2 stitches, purl and knit stitch. So here, now next row we will repeat our 2nd row exactly what we did the knit stitch. For knit stitch again like this, and remove this stitch like this first, and then we will insert your needle on the clockwise on the top back side, and then bring to the, just keep going on like this. So this is our knit stitch. Here, finished. Now you can see your design. This is the front right side, and if you see the back side backward, here we are getting like this design. And now we will do purl stitch like this side, and here this side we are doing knit stitch. So this is 2 line repeat. Now you can just repeat, now do purl stitch, then next row do the with knit stitch, keep going on. I'm going to make some more line, and then I will show you this design, how this looks like. Okay, so I make some more lines, more rows. You can see this is the design right now, this side, and this is this side. Look, so this side is our all the purl stitch line, and this is our front side. So this is all the knit stitch. This is knit stitch and this is purl stitch line. So we mixed both stitches, alternate rows, and this is how we getting now designs. And that's it. And if you want to binding off, what we need to do, take it off this and next stitch here, and then go take this stitch from here, right hand, and just bring to front and release this, and the next stitch, and then again so you can bind off all the stitches like this. Here, keep going on, just finish this, and this is how we get here. So this is the design. Here, enjoy and see you in my next tutorial, next video.